Okay, so if I turn the dress back out to the right side, so that's how that waist channel now looks with the elastic inside it. One last step and we've made our dress. So here it is from the front. Let's pop that round. So the only thing left to do now is the hemming. So you're going to hem the cuff and the hem. I'm going to start off just by overlocking those raw edges. So I'm going to go around and overlock the raw edges around the edge of my sleeve and the raw edge of my hem. Once that's done, I shall take my dress over to my ironing board and press that back. Now on the sleeve you've got a 1.5 centimetre seam allowance, and on the hem you've got a 2 centimetre seam allowance. Right, so I'm now going to go round and just on the looking at the inside of the sleeve cuff, I'm just going to say that I'm going to use a 2.6 stitch length. Just make sure when you're pressing this that you keep the seam allowances pressed in the same direction that they are throughout. So if, for example, your seams are pressed to the back at the shoulder, just make sure that they're pressed to the back at the cuff, otherwise you'll get a little twist in that seam and you don't want that. You want everything to sit nice and flat. So I'm just going to very slowly go round and keeping it nice even distance. I'm just going to finish off this cuff and then do exactly the same on the other side. I always take my times with hems and cuffs because I get excited towards the end of a project and I want to get it finished. And my weakness is that I then rush the last stage. So in my mind I'm saying nice and slow, take your time. I'm just going to go all the way around in a circle here. And then I'll do the same on the other side. And then, oh, by the way, I started at the underarm area just so that when I start and finish stitching, and I've got those couple of stitches that overlap, they are in the underarm area where they were not going to be seen. I'll get back to where I started, so I'll just do a couple of back stitches and that's done. Trim off those threads. And that's that sewn. So I'll give that a little press just to make it look nice and neat. So I've just pressed that up by 2 centimetres all the way around, and I am going to just do a little back stitch there. I'm starting at the side seam and I'm just going to come all the way round. So I'm matching that folded edge with just under the 2 centimetre stitch plate line, just to make sure that I do catch that hem. Oh, okay, and that's it done. I think my phone just cut out there for a sec. I'm not sure what happened. There we go. So there's our hem sewn. So I'm going to give that a good press, and we're done. Time to try our dress on. Hi there, did you like my little fashion show? I've finished my dress now. As you can see, it's really lovely to wear, perfect because it's so versatile and it's so easy. This would definitely be a great beginner's project, and just because there are so many options of different looks you can achieve by using different fabrics. And you can make it in an afternoon fairly easily. Let me know what you think about the pockets. Jury's still out for me, so make a note in the comments of whether you think yes or no to pockets. I'm going to be doing a video for the jersey version as well, and that will include sleeves and a slightly different neckline that you need to do with the jersey version of this dress. But I can definitely imagine myself making quite a few of these just because they're super easy, great for holidays. You can put them wear it with tights and boots and a chunky cardigan for the winter, or you can just wear it with sandals for a day on the beach. Just a really great dress. So I hope you've enjoyed that sew along. And don't forget that I've just photographed now all the kits I'm going to put together for this sew along. So you can go to flyingbobbins.com and you can get a box containing fabric, thread, elastic, pattern, and if you've already got the pattern you can buy that box with or without the pattern as well. So you can make your own Lotta dress too. Now next up I'm going to be doing the Tilly and the Buttons Agnes top. Really great, really easy make, and if you want to get into sewing with knit fabrics, so jersey fabrics, this is a great one for you. So that's going to be next month, and I look forward to seeing you then. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on all my other sew alongs. Bye for now.